Hello, and welcome to Wplinkninja, a plugin designed from the ground up exclusively for online marketers who have little or no technical knowledge to enable them to create cloaked affiliate links in seconds, as well as great-looking link collection pages. Affiliate marketing is the holy grail of online marketing, making money from selling the work of others. But it can be frustrating trying to get your affiliate links in front of the buyers, having to accept losing commission you know should be yours because your buyers can see it's an affiliate link and they cut you out of the deal. Another big problem with affiliate marketing is simply when you do have all your affiliate links ready to go, how do you show them to the world? Building cool-looking custom pages for a non-tech marketer can be hard work. Well, Wplinkninja was created to solve all your problems with easy link cloaking and cool link collection pages, helping you build your online business fast today.